Today I am going to discuss some important functions under the topic functions. First of all, I am going to discuss constant function. Dear students, constant function किस प्रकार से हम डिफाइन कर सकते हैं? Let us see. A function f from real to real is defined by fx is equal to c. For each x belonging to R means real values, where C is a real constant, positive, negative or 0. So we are having three cases. When C is positive means greater than 0. If we draw the graph, this is x-axis, here x positive, x negative, this is the origin, and this is y positive and y negative. And always the graph will come out to be straight line parallel to x-axis. Similarly, when C is less than 0, the graph will be below x-axis. When C is positive, then graph will be above x-axis. When C is negative, then graph will be below x-axis and parallel to x-axis. And when third case is C is 0, when graph will lie on the x-axis, and this function then when C0 is also called zero function. Range of the domain of the function will be all real values and range of the function will be constant C. We see that the domain is associated with only one element in the codomain, that is C. Therefore this function is known as many one function. So this is clear. When we draw the graph of a constant function, it will always be parallel to x-axis and will remain a straight line. Next type of function is polynomial function. Yes, polynomial function. A function f from real to real is said to be a polynomial function if for all x belonging to R means real, y is equal to fx is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus so on up to an x ki n, where n is a non-negative integer and coefficients a0, a1, a2 and so on up to an belongs to real. Poly means many पार्ट जिसके हों, जैसे इसमें पद बहुत हैं, एक से ज्यादा पद हैं, तो इसलिए इसको हम polynomial function कहते हैं. For example, let us take a function from real to real, fx is equal to x square plus 2x plus 2. Write domain and range of the function and draw the graph. This is required in this question. Let us see. The function is fx is equal to x square plus 2x plus 2. Here we will break 2 in two parts, 1 and 1. Why? We see that x square plus 2x plus 1 is a complete square. We always try to make the complete square of the given function in parts. So we see that this is from here to here, this is the whole square of x plus 1 whole square plus 1. तो यहां से हम देखते हैं कि फंक्शन जो हमारा आया fx बराबर है x प्लस 1 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस 1. अब x की कोई भी रियल वैल्यू यहां पे हम डालें, लेट अस सी, ये कंप्लीट होल स्क्वायर है तो वो ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव होगी. पॉजिटिव प्लस पॉजिटिव 1 इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. वन थिंग इज क्लियर. नाउ व्हाट विल बी द मिनिमम वैल्यू? The minimum value of this function from here can be 0 and value of function will be 1 or greater. So it shows that the domain of the function is all real and for all values of x, fx is greater than equal to 1. It means जो domain हुआ हमारा वो सभी real value हुई और उन सभी के लिए कुछ भी डालते हैं फंक्शन की वैल्यू 1 या 1 से बड़ी होगी. तो यहां से क्लियर हो गया हमारा कि रेंज ऑफ द फंक्शन विल बी ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 1, दैट इज फ्रॉम 1 टू इंफिनिटी. So this is how we can break the things Now let us draw the graph of the function. Here this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Take x minus 3, and when we put x is equal to minus 3, then minus 3 plus 1 whole square plus 1. This will come out to be 4 plus 1, 5. This is 5. Similarly, when we take minus 2 plus 1, 1 whole square, 1 plus 1, 2. Then minus 1, this will become 0, this will come 1. Then 0, this is 1 and this is 1, 2. When we take 1 plus 1, 2 whole square, 4 plus 1, 5. When we take 2 plus 1, 3 whole square, 9 plus 1, 10. These are the values. There 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on x-axis. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, so on negative side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on positive side of y-axis. Minus 3x minus 3, 1, 2, 3. And fx, it means y is 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here someone here it will come. Then minus 2 plus 2. This will come here. Again minus 1, 1 here. Then 0, 2 here. 1, 5. This will come here. 2, 10. And this will go up someone here. So the graph will be like this. You can try yourself also on the graph paper or any paper. We see that the graph is above the x-axis. It shows that the value of the function, that is range, is always positive. This is the graph and this is the type of the function, polynomial function. Let us see another type, that is identity function. A function f from real to real defined by fx is equal to x for each x belonging to R means real, is called an identity function. fx is equal to x. It means y is equal to x. कि फंक्शन की वैल्यू वही आए जो x है, और इसमें यहाँ से क्लियर है कि domain of the function will be all real and range will again all real, and this function is one-to-one function. Or if we draw the graph, we see that when we take minus 1, fx is minus 1, we take x1, this is 1, same values, and when we draw the graph, it will be a straight line and passing through origin. So this is the identity function. When we draw minus 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, minus 2, minus 2, this way we will get the graph, and this is identity function fx is equal to x. This function is one function. Domain will be all real, and range will again all real, क्योंकि जो डोमेन में डालेंगे वही हम रेंज में देख रहे हैं कि वही वैल्यू रेंज में आ रही है. नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ फंक्शन इज एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू फंक्शन. जैसा कि इसके नाम से कि एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू, उसकी एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू, उसमें नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव पे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं आने वाला. इसको डिफाइन क्या करेंगे, एक फंक्शन f फ्रॉम रियल टू रियल डिफाइंड बाय fx इज इक्वल टू मॉडुलस x. वी दिस absolute value function is also known as modulus x, or modulus function is called an absolute value function. It is also known as modulus function. Modulus x is x when x is greater than 0, equal to 0 when x is 0, and when x is less than 0, its value is minus x. If we draw the graph, we will see that when we will take x is equal to 0, y is 0, that is function is 0, minus 1, absolute value, this will get come out to be 1, minus 2, 2, minus 3, 3. We draw the graph 0, 0, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, we will get 2, minus 2, we will get 2, and we see that the graph will be like this, always above x-axis, positive graph. We see that the domain will be all real and the range will be all positive reals greater than equal to 0. This is absolute value function, we see that in identity function the graph will be straight line, and we will get same values in the range which are in the domain, and in absolute value function we will get all positive values and the graph will be above x-axis. Let us see two more types of functions. Greatest integer function, it is also known as fractional part function. A function from real to real, fx is equal to greatest integer x, y is equal to fx is equal to greatest integer x. We see that when the value of x is equal to 0 or somewhere between 0 and 1, the value of the function will come out to be 0. For example, let the value of x is 0.7 or 0.8 or anywhere from 0 to 1, then the value will come out to be 0. Similarly, when the value is from 1 to 2, the value will come out to be 1. जैसे x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 1, x is equal to 1.2, then y is equal to 1, x is equal to 1.8, y is equal to again 1. Similarly, when between 2 and 3, this will come out to be 2, between 3 and 4 come out to be 3, 4 and 5 come out to be 4, and in the negative values -2 and -1. Let us see with the help of a number line. This is -1, this is -2, -3. We here see that -2 and -1 इनके दोनों के बीच में है, तो इनमें -2 और -1 में छोटा -2 होता है, तो वैल्यू -2 आएगी, और -1 और 0 के बीच में अगर हो तो -1 वैल्यू आएगी। यानी ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर, जैसा कि नाम से पता है कि उसमें उस भाग में जितना इंटीजर सबसे बड़ा है। जैसे माना 2 और 3 के बीच में x की वैल्यू हमने 2.7 ले ली, तो y की वैल्यू fx बराबर 2 होगी, क्योंकि 2.7 कहाँ पे लाई करता है, हम नंबर लाइन पे देखें 1 2 3, ये 1 2 3 2.7 कहीं यहाँ पे होगा, तो ये इसमें ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर 2 ही है। तो ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन के नाम से हम जितने उसमें इंटीजर ग्रेटेस्ट आएंगे तो वही लेंगे। मान लो 3 और 4 के बीच में कहीं है, मान लो यहाँ पे है तो 3 लेंगे, आगे 4 और 5 के बीच में है तो ये, इस प्रकार से हम ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर को डिफाइन कर सकते हैं। और यहाँ पे इसका डोमेन रहेगा ऑल रियल वैल्यूज और रेंज रहेगा ऑल इंटीजर्स, वो इंटीजर होंगे, फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट नहीं होंगे। और नेक्स्ट टाइप इज सिग्नम फंक्शन। ए फंक्शन f from real to real is defined by fx is equal to modulus x upon x when x is not equal to 0 and equal to 0 when x is 0 is called a signum function. It means when x is greater than 0, so y is equal to 1, always positive. When x is 0, then y is 0, and when x is less than 0, y will come out to be -1. जैसे माना हम x की वैल्यू 4 डालते हैं, तो fx क्या आ जाएगा, मॉडुलस 4/4 इज 4/4 इज 1, और -3 डालेंगे तो -3 का मॉडुलस अपॉन -3, we will 3/-3 -1. We see that when x is negative, we get the negative values. When x is 0, we will get 0. When x is positive, we will get the positive values, and the domain will be all real and range will be -1, 0 and 1. So only 3 values will be in the range. So I think these are some type of functions. Some more type of functions are also there, type exponential, logarithmic and other functions. We will discuss these functions in future lectures. Thank you very much.